Okay, first ride. Not really the first ride, but the first ride that we're recording for the year 2014, summer of. Over here at Glasgow, they got a new dog park. I'll show you in a minute. Should be able to get it all. Okay, I'm gonna mount up. I'm trying to keep it one clip instead of just having a whole bunch of clips. You know? A whole bunch of clips is a pain in the ass. Alright, let me show you. Got the phone hooked up. Sorry, the camera. GoPro, of course. Doing the GoPro. What's up, bro? Motherfucker, you know what you're doing. Anyway, got a little music soundtrack to it. I can see it a little bit. Let me show you the new GoPro. The new GoPro. I'm sorry. New Glasgow Dog Park. This is right here. See it? See all the doggies in there? All those doggies are having fun. I don't know if it's better this way. So you get a good look at it. Now it's upside down. You see? I'm gonna turn around again. So you can see they don't go off about a business. And we have pit bulls in here and everything. You see, pit bull attacked a couple of dogs one day. But anyway, let's ride. Getting that bike noise again. I don't know what that noise is. You hear it? I don't know what the hell that is. Anyway, we ride around for a little bit. Let's get a little taste. Let's get a little taste of it. Yeah, I'm not gonna be turning it on and off like before, where I have a million clips of like, you know. I'm getting lazy. I don't have to edit nothing. You know what I mean? You know? I'm trying to know what that sound is. I probably got to put on my bike mode so people can hear. I got the front one, but people don't hear that. They don't hear the back one either. Alright, hold on, let me put that on. Hold on. Okay. Now they should be able to hear everything. How's that look? That's cool, man. That's cool, man. That's a nice bike. I hear you. It's got shocks in the front, everything, nice. Oh, okay. Enjoy it. That little bike is cool. The Pop's got to beat that bike that you saw in the first part of the film. Yeah, that's definitely the baddest bike. I like that one the best. Okay, we're going to go this way. We're going to let this little car go. We're going to jump on right here. The good thing about it this year, I don't have to use the bike ride as a workout because I'm already doing that at the Y. So I can just ride around at my leisure and chill, you know? I don't have to do it as a workout, you know? Give people a nod, you know, when they ride by, whatever, you know? I don't even know if you can hear me, especially with music on. We'll have to check it out later and see how it is. Looks like I got a good view here, though. Okay. You hear the engine? Of course you do. everybody park here, that's all the reason. Everybody parking there along the edge like that. But they don't write tickets here. They really march, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? People eating in the grass, I don't know. I mean, literally eating in the grass. They got the food sitting in the grass. You probably don't see that. Well, the SD card is huge. So I should be able to get at least one whole trip around this circle here with no problem. The tree is still falling. Not like it was going to get back up, but you know what I mean. They didn't move it or anything. It's still sitting there. Look at these people looking at it. It's definitely painful on the balls. Oh, you can jerk the camera. Nice day out, holiday weekend. Always going solo as usual. Nothing new about that. Hope the gap don't fall out. That'd be a nightmare. I used to drop the gap all the time. Time me and a bunch of my boys was hanging out, me and my cousin son and his boys really. Gap fell out right in front of everybody. Hit the ground, everybody just looking at it. I said, "Oop, that's mine, sorry." Funny one. See that? So good. Like I said, there's a huge SD card in here, so I should take my whole trip around. I'm taking my time. Usually I can do this in under 10. No, I'm sorry, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. If I'm chilling, 12 to 15. You know, people live behind these winches, see? They live back there. People live back there. Girlies out today. Oh, that's a reflex here. See, people have their headphones on, so they can't hear you. Also, I have the back one too, you know? Sometimes you hear them too. Like, this guy, he got his headphones on. He can't even hear me. Maybe we see a black snake today. I don't mean the one in my pants either. You know, it's more like beige. Yeah, that's where it usually hangs out too. Oh, the trees. Swallow them. And the kids hanging out. All right, brother. I smacked that kid's hand and hurt his arm. Yeah. Hit that little kid's arm and he gets hurt. You got issues, you got problems, man. Forget about the issues, you got problems. Anyway, see some chocolate legs right here. Big fat chocolate legs. Homie rider. Kids like my motor. Look at these titties, damn. You got the titties going on. He ain't like New York. You can't just fuck around with people here. I mean, mess around with people here. Let's say you being follow OEEO on your ass out here in the street and all that. So you gotta be careful how you talk to people out here. It ain't like New York, you can just go through. Say whatever you want down there to a girl. She's alright. Here it's different. Oh, look at these. You see these people here sword fighting? These people are a trip. Fucking nuts. Anyway, takes all kinds, right? Takes all kinds. See how they dress? You gotta look at it. That was in the Bronx. The cops are coming. There'll be some issues with that, with the swords. They're not real swords, but they're probably sharp. Go next to the highway now, so you're probably gonna be able to hear nothing. I really do these films for my own perusal. Document a little bit of this, a little bit of that. This is the first film of 2014. No, not really, I'm sorry. First GoPro film of 2014. What's she working out for? Guess the boy was a baby, you work, I lose weight, I'll stay with you. Here comes something right here. Not bad. Fuck it's huge. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Going a little small, I understand that. You're even better catching that on the background now. Damn, I think we're going westbound right now. If we were going eastbound, or vice versa, there might have been something going on. You know? I'm using the GoPro app, which works very well. It works much better than the remote. Much better than the remote. Now the thing is, here comes something else. Today is the workout day, so I get all the hard stuff in today. And then tomorrow, I relax. Hey, I don't know if that's a man or a woman. I'll go with it's a girl. She's kind of hairy though. Anyway, alright, when I started going to the gym, just light workouts, you know, very light. Not like I used to. Not like I used to. Not like I was on Schwarzenegger, nothing like that, but yeah, I was thicker, much thicker. You know? But ever since, 2009, things have changed a bit. So I don't know, maybe about 25% diminished. Maybe more. Some days I don't feel like getting out the bed, and that ain't because the girls in there with me either. But anyway, I used to work out every day. That was too much. Wasn't gaining nothing. So now it's every other day, like it should be. The complete body. I don't break it up because since the body's weak or not as strong as it used to be, every day is a whole body workout, no matter what I'm working on. So, one day for the whole body, next day of rest. I could really use 2 days of rest, to be honest with you. But, what are you gonna do? Now I think we're still recording. Let's see how this comes out later. Like I said, I'm not rushing it, but I do find myself riding faster than I should be. Tomorrow I really have to ride slow. Today I can do what I want. But anyway, this here is enjoying it. Not good for the ball. During the week, you get a lot of honeys up in here, especially in the evening. They get off from work. They want to work off that lunch they have. Might take a ride tonight too, in the dark. Usually a lot of deer out here. I don't see none today, maybe later. This one wants to swing. I don't have that monkey. That's a kid. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, but it looks like a kid. Gotta shave the balls tonight. Gotta shave everything tonight. I shave everything, top to bottom. I haven't shaved the hair off my legs yet. Or my chest.